Deep in the frigid Antarctic, where temperatures drop to minus 60 degrees Celsius, lives the emperor penguin, one of the birds most adapted to extreme cold. Although it cannot fly, penguins make up for this with their excellent swimming abilities, able to dive to depths of up to 500 meters in search of fish and squid. Penguins are not just ordinary seabirds, they have an amazing social life. In harsh winters, males gather together in huge flocks to conserve heat while incubating their eggs. While females go on long journeys in search of food, this rare parental sacrifice makes penguins one of the most amazing fathers in the animal kingdom.